Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love it when they've provided feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track.
JDK Cleaning had come highly recommended to us as a professional and responsive commercial cleaning company. The team understood the specific needs of the specialist project straight away, and importantly we were able to offer the flexibility we required while working around the constructive work. We were also very impressed with their knowledge of the equipment required to ensure a dust-free environment for cleaning a functioning lab.
Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.